Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show you how simple it is to remove a tap that was broken on a part with our new portable EDM-2000H. We have this VF2 table that unfortunately a tap was broken in. Our goal today, however, is to fix this part, that way we can use it again. To start, we will first begin with assembling the workhead. Alright, now that the workhead is assembled, our next step is to actually connect all the electrical cables that are needed to operate the portable EDM. Lastly, we will set up the fluid hose connections. The portable EDM offers two methods for fluid delivery, through the flex hose with magnetic base and through the electrode chuck. The portable EDM also comes with a fluid pump to be used alongside with distilled, deionized, or purified water. Please note, the pump must be fully submerged to prevent damage. Okay guys, now let's head over to machine shop to show the EDM in action. All right guys, so now we're here at the machine shop where we actually got this VF2 table already kind of set up. We have our portable EDM using through the electrode chuck method to deliver the coolant right into our part. We have a 1032 tap that we actually need to burn out, and using our manual, we're going to actually reference this to figure out what size electrode we need to use to burn out the 1032 tap's core. From our manual, we can see that we need a 3mm electrode to remove the 1032 tap's core. Now what I'm going to do is actually load the electrode into the chuck, tighten it with the chuck key, and center the electrode to the broken tool. Then we will set the max depth using our depth setting locking screw and depth ruler. Once the height is set and my electrode is aligned with the center of the tap, press the start button to begin processing the hole. During this process, if you notice current is bouncing back and forth, we may need to adjust the speed of the workhead using the servo adjusting knob. Once the depth locking screw reaches the bottom, the workhead will auto retract. An alarm will sound to let you know that the EDM has finished burning out the tap. Press reset and stop to silence the alarm and stop the workhead. Inspect the hole to see if the tap is fully removed. Using a pick can help with the cleaning process if it's a blind hole. And that pretty much sums up our EDM-2000H. For more information, please visit haastooling.com. Thanks for watching.